My name's Elaine Coleman, and I teach first-year veterinary students here at the College of Veterinary Medicine. And one of our goals when we're teaching our first-year students is to provide them with a foundation of information that they can build upon as they advance on into their more clinical years here at the college. And so we're challenged with making the information interesting to them and being able to apply that information, the basic information of structure and function. So later on, when they hit the clinics, they can understand how that information comes into play. If we teach them to do that higher order thinking, they can take that information from the first year, understand that concept, and apply that information later on when things don't work properly. So it's kind of like a mechanic. If they don't understand how an engine is built, they'll never be able to fix the problem when the engine goes wrong. One of the things in our first year classes, what we'll do is we'll present the basic anatomy or the basic physiology built around a case. So we'll ask them questions during lab, during the class time to do that. We'll present this case to them and say, what is it you know that is relevant to that animal at this stage of the career that might help solve the problems. They first have to be able to identify the problem with the animal that they're seeing, but then they have to put the information that they've learned, the very basic information, into function so they can try to determine what the problems are with that animal. So it takes them from the basic foundational information, but it allows them to apply it so there's a reason for learning what they're learning. Because a lot of the basic sciences could be dry if it wasn't given a purpose for learning that information. We try to get them away from rote memorization and try to get them to think through why they are learning what they're learning, if there's a purpose behind it.